Congratulations! Now you have found the bug. You will be asked then to define the severity level or priority level of this bug. Now, what is the meaning of that? Priority level. How fast a bug should be fixed according to its high impact on the functions or features of a successful launch of a product. A product here means a website, homepage, or an application. The degree of defect priority determine whether to stop the release of the app or website until it's fixed, or it may be postponed to the first update for this version. Now that was the priority level. Let's shift to the severity level. It's how severe is the impact of a bug on the core functionality of the component or system. So it must be a bug that can cause a damage or disability in the usage of the component being tested. Let's take the bug priority levels and distinguish what can be a severity degree later. We have 4 kinds of priority levels: critical, high, medium, and low. A critical bug is the one that affects critical functionality or critical data. It doesn't have a workaround, so the end user cannot have a solution for it or even replace it with another function. An example for that: you can't log into your account, you can't check out, or maybe you can't save an item in your shopping cart, an application in which you cannot receive or send your emails, or even you can't install the application. Once the critical defects have been fixed, a defect having this priority is the next candidate, which has to be fixed. Normally when a feature or function is not usable as it's supposed to be. However, these bugs should be fixed in the first available patch or update after launch. For example, when you add an item to the cart during shopping, it freezes the website or application for 4 seconds. Well, this doesn't stop the function of adding an item to the cart, but it makes it sluggish. So this is a high priority level, but it's not critical, of course. Also, a typo in the logo text on the home page. A logo is very important for a company's image or reputation. But when you find a typo in the logo, it's something that's really has a high priority level. Maybe it doesn't have a high severity level. I mean, it doesn't affect the core functionality of the application or the website, but still it's a high priority because you can't leave your website with a typo in the logo. So in the first update, you will fix that. Medium bugs. These ones do not affect any critical user functionality. Typically, medium severity bugs have workarounds that allow users to accomplish the desired task that the bug may have hindered, or the function may still operate but in a degraded fashion. So here you have a workaround. You can fix this, or you can try another thing and the function will be, working. An example for that, maybe the notification emails are not working. A search result page that displays the right results but formats incorrectly in Chrome browser. So it's a function, that is working, but in a certain browser it causes some problems in the format, even not in the search results. So these can be considered medium bugs. A low bug. The defect here does not affect functionality or data. It doesn't even need a workaround. It doesn't impact productivity or efficiency. It's merely an inconvenience. An example for that: grammatical mistakes and misspelling in the text within a page, a text being displayed in the wrong location, or a sitemap loads improperly in Internet Explorer 6. So any grammatical mistakes or misspellings are low bugs, but of course not to be compared with the one in the main logo of a company, of course, or a website.